in the FY25, we have disbursed close to 14,000 CR of loans, and that has grown quite significantly from last year. And what we are seeing are three secular trends. One is the digital pace of adoption is increasing. We also saw that after RBI clamped down on the consumer and the personal loans, there has been more of a shift towards SME loans, among our lending partners. And the third thing is, as the economy has grown at a 7% plus interest rate, so the demand for credit has been pretty healthy right now over the last 3 quarters. So we are focused on the MSME sector, and within the MSME sector, we see a lot of the growth is coming in manufacturing, contract manufacturing. We are seeing quite a bit of growth in the healthcare space. We are also seeing the growth in the services businesses. So we have seen growth across different industry segments, and also from a geographical perspective, India being, I would say, Southern India, Western India, and parts of Northern India have done well. So we see that, if we can maintain the current pace of growth, then we can increase it by another 15 to 20%, this year. Obviously, there are some areas of concern, especially with the world, situation regarding US tariffs, because Indian SMEs contribute a large part to Indian exports, and a lot of those exporters actually use credit, very significantly. But if that situation settles down quickly, then we see that we will achieve a close to 20% growth out there. Yeah, so we are already present in US and now in UAE, and we are expanding in the Saudi market also very quickly. And in India, we are also looking to expand our product offerings, and also doing a lot of new work, cutting edge work in the AI space, especially developing a lot of agentic AI business applications, which can sit on top of our platform to help businesses to get money faster, and also lenders to do a better adjudication job. See, one thing is that what the government has done in the past few years in terms of investing and improving the digital infrastructure is starting to play a big role, in this. Obviously, on the MSME side, we have also seen more digitization, and then GST data has become better over the years. So that has helped to build better credit models, out there. I think there's more demand now and more appetite among lenders also to lend to SME sector because of the clampdown in the consumer unsecured lending by RBI. And the other thing is that, we have seen a consistent growth in the economy over last 4 quarters. So that has also helped to sustain the credit demand, So one of the new initiatives Biz2X is going to announce, as I said, is around, developing proprietary AI tools. And we are announcing a big partnership with Columbia University, in New York, and also some of the large American companies, including Google and AWS. And then we are also talking to some of the large Indian corporate to also partner, on that initiative. So what that does is that it will take the application of AI and the technology piece behind it, to the next level, which is not still there out there. Like even developing small language models, training large language models, ability to, write better code, and then self-learning models become faster. And what that does is that will lower the cost, reduce the risk, and also create more confidence among lenders to actually go and lend money, into this sector. So that's a big initiative we are going to announce, and we are investing millions of dollars in that. And then the other is that obviously, we are improving our overall platform play, and also, doing the whole ecosystem play in this country. See, while the government has taken some policy measures, I think what the government can learn from some of the other countries is that you need to create a deeper demand for these kind of loan portfolios in the capital markets, because once that happens, then it becomes a self-fulfilling kind of a cycle. That's still not there, So here, most of the banks will lend money to MSMEs, and then they hold it onto their books. There's some securitization, but not to an extent that happens in countries like US and some of the other countries. So I think that's the first thing. The second thing is that the credit guarantee program, which is run by SIDBI, has done well, but they can be improved. And again, there, if the CGTMSE portfolios can get rated and then securitized, like what happens with the SBA portfolios in US, it will again lead to more liquidity and more pools of money coming in. So the key is to create more liquidity. right now in the capital markets, which can give more access to credit and cheaper access to credit to small and mid-sized businesses.